A new day, new video. So for the new ones, this is code draw, and as usual, we're gonna do some lead code problems. Um, so for those who don't know, this is code draw, and we do a everyday coding challenge until I get a job or an internship. This is code draw. You can follow me on my GitHub account. This is my GitHub, and you can follow me on other social media account. This is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub, this is my Instagram. You can find all this in the YouTube bio, and this is my Discord. Recently we did a Discord server so that we can connect with you and know you better. So feel free to join it anytime you want. And without further ado, let's go to the lead code problems. So the new thing today is that I'm gonna try to solve the lead code problems using Java. Um, I usually solve lead code problem using Python, but I know Java for sure, but I didn't like solve with it too many problems. So we'll try to train ourselves to solve in Java to know the syntax better. So without further ado, let's go to the first problem. So we're gonna start with the arrays because it's like a yeah, I like Java too. Hey, welcome, Alexander. Welcome stream, man. So because it's a data structure that we already know, so we're gonna focus on the syntax of Java. But I generally say that I hate it. Yeah, everybody say that. Okay, so let's bring the whiteboard here. So this is the problem of yesterday, and let's go. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so we're gonna merge string alternately. Okay, so you're given two strings, word1 and word2. Merge. So I have this as my cheat sheet for Java. So I'm gonna be look on this screen to help me use the cheat sheet. So okay, so merge the string by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word 1. Okay, so if a string is longer than the other, append the additional letter onto the end of the merged string. Okay. So return the merged string. So word 1 equal ABC, word 2 PQR. We're gonna begin with the words with the letter from word 1. So APQ, APBQCR. Okay. And then AB and PQ, we're gonna start with this. We're gonna insert A, then P, then B, then Q, and then we add the rest of them. Okay, so I think this is not hard. I think I'm gonna make a while loop. Okay, so if it's also like that, okay. So I think it's not very hard. So we have two words, which is word 1. I'm gonna make it W1 equal ABC. So let's see the three these cases. Okay, so P, Q, and R. Okay, so I'm gonna make two pointers. This is I and this is G. So let's make them in this way to understand better. Okay, so I will begin at A. So we're gonna insert I in the first. So I think I'm gonna make a while loop. While no, we're not gonna end while so the condition to end is that the two that we iterate through the two words. So if while I is lower than length of word 1, and it's not or, and we must have the two condition. So is lower than length of word 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna initialize a new word, which is word 3, I think. Okay, so word 3 will be a empty string. We're gonna initialize the first letter. So 3 dot add. I'm not sure of the syntax. It's like pseudocode. So word 3 dot add word 1 of I, and then alternatively, so word 2 dot add word 2 of G. Okay, and then so I think I'm gonna make a condition for every one of them. So if here, so if word 3 if I is lower than word 3 dot length, so we still have letter to append. Okay, we're gonna do this instruction. Okay, so yeah, it's understandable. Okay, and this too. So I'm gonna make if G is lower than word 3 dot this word 1 and this word 2 dot len, then we're gonna append it. If it's not, we're not gonna append anything. Okay, we're simply gonna append the word that has more letter, and then I plus plus and G plus plus. Okay. I have to include them in this. I have to include everything in this. Okay, so I plus here and G plus plus here in this condition. Okay, I think this is cool. Okay, hey, hello man, welcome stream. I think we're cool now. Okay, so let's go to the code. Okay, so we have word 1 and word 2. We're gonna define word 3. Okay, so string. I just solved this problem as well. Not very. Yeah, it's not hard. It's easy actually. Okay, so string word 3. I really forgot like the syntax. Okay. Okay, so string. Oh, it's Python. Yeah. So yeah. Now we're gonna go to Java. Okay. So string word 3. Oh, it's called. Okay. So word 3. We're gonna make a while loop, as we said. While I, we have to initialize I and G. Okay, so while I is lower than word 1 dot length or dot size or length. Okay, how to know the length? Okay. Dot length. Okay. Word 1 dot length. Is it right? Okay, and G is lower than or 2 dot length. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna have two conditions. So if and then another if. Okay, so if I is still lower than the length of the word 1, which is what mean we have still letters to append. So while if I is lower than hold on dot length. We're gonna word3 dot does the add thing like valuable like correct on a string? Okay, so word3 dot add word1 of I, and then I plus plus. Okay, so let's do this, and I think I'm gonna copy this for this condition. We're simply gonna change g and 2 or 2 dot g and g plus plus, and then we're gonna return after all that. We're gonna return the word3. Okay, let's test it. Hey chat, everything is okay? How was your day? Okay, so I think we don't have the thing. Okay, so then let me see. Throw array I want string. It's a method. Yeah, it's a function. So okay. Array required but string found. String. Let's see how we're gonna. This is not the. It's not like how we accept string in Java. How to access object Java string. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go to useful Java. I already know this, but man, okay. So Java string. This is what we need. Okay, so text dot length. Complete. Okay. Okay, so it's not complete. Numbers on strings. Plus. Oh, we can go to plus. Okay. Data types. Characters. Okay, so let's go to characters. Access string job. Okay. Character to string to. Oh, this is too long, man. Character dot string to string text. Okay, this is too man. This is too hard. Okay. Like, can't I like do it in a easier way? Your loop doesn't use G, I guess. No, it's not. It's simply like the way to access the Java string. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this character to string text. It's not text. It's word1. Yeah, it's word1. Okay, so word1 character at I, and we're gonna copy this and make it in this word2 G and run. Okay, we cannot add Hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Can I do plus? Can I make it a plus? Okay, so I'm gonna try. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's not in the loop, but okay, concatenate. Where is this string thing? Okay, so concatenation plus concat. Okay, so I'm gonna use concat. Okay, okay. So let's bring it. Okay, this is G, and this is don't concat. Okay. Do I have to like make it this? Okay, this contact also. Concat. Okay. At least you have an. Okay, he is not doing anything. Okay, so I just want to print those. So system dot out println this and the system. Okay, so it's a out. ABC. Okay, so the thing is working. Okay, so the concat is not working. Okay, so let me just try use this. Might not have been initialized. Okay, so it have to be this. Okay, I really don't know what is going on. Okay, so if I, so we are, the print is good. The print is good. Okay. I'm gonna make the same thing to. Okay, character string or 2 dot. Okay. Okay, A B C Q C and R. It's good. It's good. So everything is good. Just the concat thing. Yeah, and Java is another thing. Okay, so like the add, it's how do I concatenate to strings? The concat is had to work. Okay, so I'm gonna try another thing. Okay, so I'm gonna just try to concatenate a letter. Okay, so this has to be 3 A's. What is going on? Last name. Can I just concat? Like, oh, no. Okay, can I just concat like this? Okay, so this concat thing, try using the thing plus. Okay, so yeah, the concat thing is not working, so we're gonna try another thing. Okay, plus A. Okay, so I'm just gonna try with a letter. Okay, okay, now it's working. Okay, so we're gonna add all this. Yeah, thank you, man. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this and paste it. Character word 2. Should I add G? Okay, so the time complexity is n, or like, okay, so AP BQ 0 and 1. Does this has to be like this? Okay, so now we're good. Now we're good. I think we're good. I think we are. Okay, let's go. Yeah, time complexity is is on the roof. It's flying, man. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we did in like 20 minutes. Not bad, but the time complexity is very high. So let's see what others did to like uh, to make a simpler one. Okay, so in Java, um, same thing. Oh, he did a one pointer. And oh, okay, okay. So he used one pointer. Okay. I think that's not gonna really like matter because I'm. It's max n. So what is the time complexity of it? O n. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think this is the same thing. Let's go to the other one. Okay. So greatest common divisor of strings. Okay, so we have for two strings s and t, we say t divides s if and only if s equal t plus t plus t plus t, t is concatenated with itself one or more times. Okay, so given two strings str1 and str2, return the largest string x such that x divides both str1 and str2. Okay, so str1 equal abcc. So this has to be in the definition of lead code of a string divising another string. So if the string 1 equal abc, the string 2 has to be like, or not this, the string 1 to say that string 2 divides string 1, string 1 has to be string 2 plus string 2 plus string 2 multiple times. It can be one time, okay? So this has to be abc plus abc plus abc. Okay, so ab string 2 equal ab, output ab. Oh, given to string, return the largest string x such that x divides both string 1 and string 2. Lead code. There is no. So I think we're gonna search for the common string, or hmm. But if like we have a. Okay, so let's say we have string 1 equal bcd. Okay, bcd. and string 2 equal bc. String 2 will not divide the string 1. Okay, so maybe try using I, and if string 1 is not equal to string 2, then no common divisor. Oh, okay. Okay, that's great idea. Um, it's like if this BC and this BC do, can we say that string 2 divide string 1? Because there is AD that he cannot divide it. So it's if it's like BC and BC and BC, yeah, sure. The BC is the largest string. Largest string. Hmm. Oh, we cannot because this is AB, AB, AB. Okay. Um. Yeah. Okay. So our main goal is to like. Okay. So let's go with the like sample test case. Okay. So string one equal like AB, AB, and AB, and this string two equal AB, AB. Okay. Let's test this test case. Uh, I think this is substring of this. Can we use the substring thing? Mm, because hmm. Or can we use a set in Java like to remove the duplicated one? Hmm. Okay, so this is not as simple as I thought. Hmm. ABC, ABC. Like he showed us the definition. Okay, so I think I'm gonna concatenate to. I think I'm gonna concatenate this. Okay, or no? Yeah. So I thought of like checking if this string is a substring of this. So he's gonna return me AB is a substring of this, and then I'm gonna check another time if I can like reduce it. This upper level easy, I would say maybe. Yeah, it's not hard. It's not hard. We're gonna find it. Um, hmm. Like we just have to find the substring and then we apply this. If this is true, then we're gonna return true. Okay. So hmm, what are we gonna do? What we gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna search for the substring in Java to see if I can. Oh no! Like I want to check or subsequence. Oh. Mm. Can I like deal with pointers? Okay, so a starting pointer here. So it's okay. So in most cases, the str2 will divide the str1, and the reverse is not correct, okay? So I think I'm gonna make two pointers. This is I and this is G. If this equal this, then we're gonna go. If it's not, I'm only gonna increment I, okay? And let's say we have D E G A B C, okay, and I have A B A B. This is G and this is I. This is D is not equal to A, so I'm gonna increment I until it reaches A. If it's equal, then I'm gonna increment both. If and I'm gonna like I think I'm gonna put this in a new word, like every time they are equal. I'm gonna make it in words, so this will be AB. Hmm. Hmm. No, I think it's too like iterative, okay? So I'm gonna look in the Java cheat sheet if there is something to work on. Mm-hmm. Okay, chat, do you have any largest string dividing both? Okay, so I'm gonna make largest number dividing both. I think what's the largest number that can be evenly largest number which divides greatest common divisor. Oh, okay. Oh, the GCD. Oh, yeah, back in school, man. Okay, the GCD. Okay, divide product of A and B by LCM. Okay, GCD in Java. GCD in Java, like string? Can I use GCD strings? Great. No, I don't want like to find the answer. I just want to know the approach. Okay. So the GCD of 20 and 30 is 10. Okay. So how we find it? General approach. General approach. Oh, we're gonna make the multi dividers of A and then dividers of B and then find the largest one. Can I do it in like with string? How can I do it with string? Okay, let's say we have A B A B A B and then A B. The divider of a string is the the definition of fleet code is the concatenated with itself one or more time. Okay, so the divider of this is so I think we have to find the divider of this and then the divider of this. Okay, so let's say, okay, I'm gonna make it more like more complex. Okay, so we have AB multiplied by 4, and here AB multiplied by 3. Okay, so now we have AB as a divisor, and AB as another divisor, and here we have AB as a divisor, and no, we don't have another. Okay, so the largest one is this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna extract the divisor of every word and then see the common one, or like the largest common one. Okay. So how are we gonna get? How we're gonna do this? Um, I think I'm gonna. Okay, so if I have A B A B A B and then A B, I'm gonna start with a pointer like G or A. So for um, for G, like is lower than len ta ta ta, I'm gonna concatenate. Okay, so most, okay, or largest divisor. Okay, largest divisor plus str1 of G, and then check while true. I think this while true. Well, not one. I have to check if this character like divide all the word or not. How are we gonna do this? Mm, for another time. No, it's not a for. It can be a while loop. Hmm. It's now 37 minutes. Okay. Uh, okay, so while I'm gonna make while um, len of the new word, which is ld, is so I'm gonna like add this until it is like it's not dividing. Start with GCD of sizes. Okay, welcome stream, man, but I'm not really understanding you. Okay, while len of GCD is lower than len of the word itself, for this str1, we're gonna concatenate so itself, so ld plus equal like ld, and check if ld is equal to str1. If it's equal, then it divided, then I'm gonna like make it in a string, then gcd1 dot add ld. Oh, it's not equal. Oh yeah, it's equal, yeah. Okay. The term complexity is too bad for this. It's too great. It's too like it's too much actually. We have a for loop and then a while loop. Does this seem correct? Because I really doubt it. Okay, so let's try it there is no problem in trying it. Okay. So I'm gonna start with check constraint to see if it might pass. Okay, so constraint 100, 1000 consists of English uppercases. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna initialize. Yeah, I already checked them. 0 and int I equals 0, and then we're gonna define the other things with okay, so for g equals 0, g is lower than str1 dot length I'm gonna make ld equal what did we do with the last time? Do you like cybersecurity, like pen testing? Actually, I'm not that like I'm not like the great I don't like know it very well. I hear of it and I think it's a really good field, but myself, I'm not the big of fan of it. Okay, so I'm gonna see this. Okay, so card into string. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so LD will be the LD will be the plus equal. We're gonna add every time we're gonna add a letter to our word, okay? And then I'm gonna make a while length of not length ld dot length is lower than str1 dot length. We're gonna add. Oh, we're gonna concatenate ld to itself. But then we have to like initialize it. Okay, so I'm gonna make it ld1. Okay, so ld1, can I say this? ld1 equal ld, and ld1 we're gonna add it to itself every time, okay? ld plus equal 1. Okay, so if ld1 equal str of 1, then we're good. Then this is a divider, so we're gonna add it to an array list. I'm gonna make it equal gcd, so gcd dot add, okay, gcd1 dot add ld1. Okay, so I have to initialize ld1, so string ld1, and the GCD, so it's string. One is a string of I think like that we initialize. You can check as you go, that is if str of e is not equal to str2, then instantly return str of e is not str of 2 of I, then instantly return nothing. Oh, you mean like, okay, so like if you have a b and then like cd, oh okay, but if you have like cd oh yeah, so we have another character. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And with that, I think we can like make the solution clearer. But I think we're gonna need also the GCD thing. Okay. 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 So let's use your like condition. Okay. So if um, if like str of, I'm gonna make if the I think I'm gonna concatenate if let's check if we have like CB and CB and CB, like this plus this is this. Okay, so I'm gonna check if like str1 plus for each character. No, I'm gonna use another approach. I'm gonna like make if str1 plus str2 it's equal. We have the equal thing. I think in Java equals str2 plus str1. Okay, so in this you can like to see if they are not like this gonna how do I say it, this gonna with this gonna ensure that if we have like two words that are not like lead and code, if they are not equal, then we're not gonna even start the loop, we're not gonna do anything, so the complexity is gonna drop. Okay. uh, okay, and then we're gonna check for the loop. Okay, so you said we can make a str of I is not equal to str of 2 of I. Hmm. Yeah, so your case is this, like we can replace it by this. I think my approach is um, a little bit like complicated. Like, can I use the GCD with? I'm gonna stick with the GCD thing. GCD string. Okay. Okay, so this may create. You really think? Okay. You need to know the answer possible sizes if the string 1 size is 6 and the string 2 is 4. Why do we need to like know the size of it? Okay, so this is gonna no. Use the flow number. I don't want to know. how does GCD work? Okay. So I think I'm gonna use another like approach if okay, so let's make all this in a can I make this as a comment? How do I make it in Java? Okay, so this is it. Like this. Okay. So I think I'm gonna define like a A B A B A B A B A B and A. Give these two samples. You need to know the answer possible sizes. Oh, okay. So I think the better approach, I'm gonna like define a GCD function that return the size of the word, chat. So a private int GCD. I'm gonna make it the string, the int A, the int B to like, which is the length of the two. Okay, to know the possible like sizes, like you said. Okay, int A and int B. Is it like is there like a defined we're gonna make it recursively. So return b equal 0. So if b equal 0, then we're gonna return a, else the GCD we're gonna make it recursively of chat of b minus a of b minus a or b modulo a. Okay, so the a will be replaced by the b, and the b will be replaced by a minus b. Okay, so GCD function Java. Oh, it's about 52 minutes. Get close to oh, a modulo b. Yeah, so yeah, it's like our okay, so a modulo b. As far as I know, there isn't any built-in method for primitives, but something as simple as this should be the trick. Yeah. Okay. So if b equal 0, we're gonna return a, else we're gonna return GCD of b and a modulo b. Yeah, I think we're good now. Okay, so now after this, we have to make this function the GCD of in the GCD this add your GCD equal the GCD of the two of the this the length of the first. Okay, so str.length and the length of the second. I think we're good now. Okay, yo chat, you follow me? I think we're good, chat. Okay. And then when we find the like when we find the length of it, so as I said, like we have CB and CB, so the GCD is 2. Okay, so we're gonna return this. So or no, we're gonna return the substring of this. I think I'm gonna use the substring in Java. I think this is a cooler way to. You're a step closer. Yeah, I'm very close, I think. Uh, uh, so the substring has parameter of the start and the end. I think I'm gonna return. Okay. Okay. Let's make this GCD one. From the end, which is 0 to. Okay, like if you have AB, and then AB, another AB, and then AB. So we have two. So from the 0 to the 4, or to the 3. So from 0 to GCD1. Okay. How do you think, chat? Okay, let's do this in Python. We are not in Python, so so I don't think we need this. I don't think we even need those. A legal start. Why? Why is it this incorrect? So let's look to the cheat sheet. Oh, I have to make it like outside the public function. I think this is good. Are we good, chat? Okay, we are. Yeah, we are. Okay, so let's erase this and that. So this is the solution for the greatest common divisor of. Oh, let's submit it. Let's see if we have like. Okay, we're good. So this is the solution of the largest common divisor of the two strings. So we use this to eliminate the case if there is no common divisors, to not like go further, and then we use the GCD method. So we apply the GCD of numbers on the length of this two string, and then when we extend the GCD, I'm gonna return the GCD of the string 2. You know? Okay, so this is good. The complexity should be the recursivity of this 2 power of n. I think it will be 2 power of n. Yeah, thank you, man. 2 power of n, because it's recursive. Okay, so chat, it's about 1 hour, so I think I'm gonna like end the stream here. As usual, don't forget to subscribe. This is the channel. This is the channel, Kudro. Don't forget to subscribe if you want me to make more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. So I think I'm gonna like edit this video to be shorter. Hey, thank you, man. So the videos will not be like 1 hour. They will be videos of 2 and 3 minutes to see like the recap of the stream instead of this. And if you want to watch the stream, go to the section of live stream. So this will be in this video, and the section video will be 2 and 3 minutes. See, how many LC did you solve? I think I solved now. Yeah, 91. I'm too close to the 100. Okay, so as I said, what is the? As I said, I'm gonna try a new style of videos, which is 2 and 3 minutes of video that recap the whole stream. And if you want to watch the stream, you can go to the live stream section. Okay, so I think this all for today. This is the end of stream. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want me to make more content like this. Thank you everyone for your support. This really means to me. Like, I'm really happy. Yeah, send me a connection on LinkedIn. Hey, thank you, man. Send me a connection on LinkedIn. Let's like interact with each other. Okay. So this is the end of stream. Thank you everyone, and have a good night.